sir.
Yeah, good
Today,
afternoon, sir.
today we are going to do the evaluation for computer. It takes from primary 4 and 3J Explorer. So now we start from the primary 4. Here we have the question. You can start from the question part B.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Sisatyo. Okay, this part B, fill in the blank below with the help of the given words. Number one is border is a line around text, picture or pages. Number one is border. Number two is shading is adding color behind text or inside a table. Number two is shading. Number three, when you crop a picture, you keep the part you want. So number three is crop. Number four, the preview box lets you see how the border will look before you finish.
Yeah. Next we go to short answer here. Yeah, here we have the short answer.
So answer part C in primary four homework. Number one, to add picture, click on pictures in the insert tab. Number two, to make a picture bigger or smaller, we can drag its corner of the picture in the Microsoft Word to make it bigger or smaller. Number three, to add border first, if we want to add a border in the text, we must select the text. First, we select the text we want to highlight. Number four, to add a border to the whole page, select the blank border tab in the border shading dialog. We can choose the page border. So in the shading dialog box will be a border, page border like that. Page border.
Yeah, it's patch border. Now we move to primary 5. Okay, primary 5 we have fill in the blank here. Okay, you can start. Question
Okay.
number 1.
Number one is as you can see it's a digital content. Anything you can see here or use on computer. Number two is when you want to watch a video online, the server sends it to you in a small packet or small data or small piece. It plays smallly, small piece. Number two, small pieces. Yeah. Okay. Number three, to look a website, people use a web browser. Number four, the computer that send request to get a data is called a send request or get data is a client. The computer that store and send data to other computer is called a server.
Okay. Next, we move to primary 6. Okay, here we have a true or false question. We can start from the question number 1.
With cover page, I can put the title of my project, my name, the date, my teacher name, or maybe a picture related to my topic is true. So cover page is where we can put the title of the project, the title of the document, name, the date, or maybe a picture.
Okay,
Number
next.
two, adding images or changing the layout can make the cover page more interesting and help it stand out to reader. Yes, it's true. So we can add images or we can change the layout to make more interesting or more attractive to have or it stand out to the readers.
Okay, adding image or changing layout can make the cover page more interesting. Yeah. Okay, now we move to yeah. This is part C. We can start from the question number 1.
Okay, this is part C. Fill short answer in the blank. Is the person who created the document is we can call its author.
Okay, yeah.
Number two, to add a cover page, first click on the to add cover page. You can click in the insert tab.
Yeah, insert tab. Okay, correct. Next.
You can add or replace. We can add or replace a picture on your cover page to make it more attractive. Picture or image.
Image, yeah.
The blank pack is usually or is a cover page. It's usually the first page of document cover page. Number five means how your writing looks. It's a format. So format is means how your writing looks on the page. It's help make your document clear and neat and easy to read.
Okay. Now we move to GHS1. So please explain this one first, sir. From question number one.
First, true and false, true or false. Number one, first I connect the microbit to the computer and write my code in MicroPython. Then I click the first button to download the program to the microbit. When the download is complete, I can test my program on the microbit is true. It's how we transfer our code to the microbit.
Okay, so my question here is about what is MicroPython? This one actually.
MicroPython is Python code is used with microbit.
Microbit. Okay.
It's Python
Is it for
actually.
transferring the file or how? What is the function of this MicroPython? It allow us to do what this MicroPython allow us to do actually.
We can create file MicroPython. It's like usually Python, general Python is used, but why the name MicroPython? Because it has a library used to microbit.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So it's include the library. That's why MicroPython actually is like
But the
Python
another
generally.
Python, right? General Python. Okay.
Uh,
Question number two.
hex file is used to run program on the microbit, or while .py file is a regular Python file that can be opened in any Python software. Is true. So if we send a Python in microbit, it's been converted in hex file.
Okay.
So microbit cannot read the Python code or .py extension. Microbit cannot read, but it's use .head file.
Okay, I see. Yeah. This is number three.
Okay, number three is the input available on microbit are button, B button, like sensor. Okay, it's false. So input is a button, B button, like sensor, temperature, but not a buzzer. Buzzer is output.
Okay, next.
Buzzer is like a speaker, small speaker. It's buzzer. The output available on the microbit are compass, accelerometer, output. Accelerometer is input, so this is false. Number five, we can use selection in microbit like example selection from input button A or input button B. Yes, it's true. We can use selection from input.
Okay. Now we move to GHS2. Here, we can start from the question number one first.
And number one, what does a linear search do? Is will look at the okay, will the B the answer is B checks each item in order until it finds the correct one. Okay, number two, why do computer need searching algorithm? Because computer needs step-by-step instruction to find data.
Okay,
Okay.
number three.
Number three, what happens if the search for item is the at the end of the list in a linear search? So, uh, okay, the search checks every item until it finds it. So still check it.
Okay, next.
What is another name for a single piece of data in dataset is data item.
That item. Okay, number five.
Which of the following best described selection is algorithm is best described selection? Selection is we comparing the search for item with each data item.
No, you write the another answer here. So
Yes,
that
it's
in answer.
wrong. I make it D, right?
Yeah.
But it's B the answer.
Oh, okay, I see. So
It's
it means you need to,
typo.
yeah, it means you need to revise this one into your answer
Yes, I
here.
will request it.
Yeah, sure. Okay, okay, we have here actually the short answer in the blank. Okay, we can start from the question number one.
So as a blank, data collection is a collection of related data item. Number two is in a linear search, each item is checked one by one to find the search for item. Number three, computer needs a search algorithm to find item in large sets of data. Specific object created from classic is called is instant. Advantage linear search is like easy and good is for small data.
For small data, okay. Yeah, okay. For the homework, I think it's clear. Now we move to books. So actually, I will ask from computer primary 5 first. So this computer will take from page 44 until 46. 44. This is 35. 45, 46. Okay, we have a topic here, right? This is from 44. How digital content is stored and accessed. Okay, accessed. So, could you explain how do you explain this one to the students? Since we have a button here, right? This is the computer, the customer. This is the user, right? The user. This is
Yes.
internet, and this is the servers. So how does it work actually? How the students can get the concept of this button from this chart? Oh, sorry, I freeze this one, right? So here we have the topic about this one, how digital content is stored and accessed. And yeah, this is a user, this is the internet, and this is the server. So please explain this chart to get the answer about how digital content is stored and accessed.
Okay. Okay. We can look this image or this figure. This is we can see this student access the with internet to access the data or something they need in the server. So the student is we can call it a client. It's a client, and this is a server, and we use internet to connect it user and the client. So maybe in action, maybe the student using browser. So the browser will be sent a request a file, request a website to a server, and server will give the response. Okay, response is will send a data to show in the computer or in the client. So
Okay.
we can see in this the last paragraph, like when you visit a website, you device send a request. Okay, what is the request? They will request a file or data that can be shown or can be seen with the clients. And after the server receive the request, they will send the data back in the client. And in data transferring is will be data will not send is a big file, but it will split in a small piece. Maybe data packet, we can call it data packet, or data will be split in a small size file, and it will be sent with a many way, not just one way, but many. It's like a puzzle, a small piece sent, and after they receive, all the receiver will be reassemble the data like it.
Okay. Oh yeah. So this this internet is connect
Yes, internet
the
is the
things that connect
yes,
client and
yes,
server, right? Okay. So client with server, client with client. This
yes.
is
Can
enter.
be client with client. So if we see client with client, it's like maybe like it's maybe client with client is like maybe it's sharing or a peer-to-peer connection.
Yeah, yeah, I see.
But of with the server is internet service, is digital content, is must be is digital content.
Okay, I see. Now we have to here we have computer physics, computer physics. So for computer in primary six, it will be taught from page 39. Only one page for this one.
Page
39
page
only, right?
page 39.
That's right.
Yeah,
It's only one page.
39. Yes, yes.
Oh yeah, about the cover page.
Cover page, cover page. Just this is just one page because the before is border and shading, so it's the continuous exercise.
Okay, so here cover page. Cover page is the first page that we
Yes,
find in
first
the some
is
kind of maybe article or books. So what is the thing that we can do in the cover page?
so if we learn about cover page, we make something uh, document, not just document, but we make more attractive. That's maybe it's like we can make document with a cover page, so we can export it with to PDF. So it will be maybe we can see a magazine or books that's more good professional, looks professional,
More interesting, right? The cover
more
page.
interesting. So that's why cover page is need.
So yeah, I mean here, how do you teach the students to make the cover page become more interesting? What is the things they need to do to make the cover page?
Uh, the most interesting in cover page is a picture. Actually, it's picture. So student will be like a picture, something like picture. They will be show how they like. Maybe they like the student like cat. Will be it will they will put a cat picture, cat image like that. So a picture is will be interesting for student for about other cover page.
Okay, yeah, I see. So that is the cover page.
Yeah. So
By adding the pictures, will make
yeah,
the
that
cover page
is
more interesting, right?
yes,
Okay, I see that one. So now we move to summary point. Here we have the summary point. Let me open this one first. Okay, this is your summary point, right? For September. This one.
yes, yes.
Okay. This is just like what you write into your homework about Python environment and the microbit. So please explain this point, sir.
Okay, this is a microbit Python environment. So the title is in our summary point. So number one is we can use MicroPython to write code to microbit. So we can use only one. No, we can use the other. But in our subjects, we use MicroPython. So microbit can write with the other code like JavaScript, maybe block code is Mac code. Yeah, we use a block. MicroPython use a text programming. So in our subject, we will use MicroPython. It's a Python. MicroPython is a Python used with microbit. Number two, code must follow syntax rule as like a Python. So every programming language have a syntax. So because we use MicroPython, it's basically is Python. Yes, of course, we must follow the syntax rules of Python. Okay, so we must correct the spelling, comma, bracket, like that. Number three, start every program with MicroPython import. This is uh, actually a code that's tell the Python to import microbit. Okay, from microbit import, it's mean Python use a library microbit. So that's why a MicroPython it's used for microbit because it's use microbit library. So it's more simpler, or it's more easier because it's always in default. MicroPython will always from microbit import. Asterisk is mean all. So from microbit library we import all the file like that.
Okay, sir. So I have a question here actually because this is about microbit and MicroPython, right? So simple question only. What is this microbit or MicroPython can uh, make things in our laptop? You know, uh, what is the function of this MicroPython? What things that it can do in our laptop?
So this is first microbit is a device.
Okay,
Okay, microbit is
device.
a device. Python is a programming language. So MicroPython is application use a Python language, but this MicroPython can send or communicate with microbit. That's it. If you use general Python, it's not can communicate.
Okay, so you just said that this MicroPython is a kind of application, right? This Python.
MicroPython is a device. Python is language.
Sorry. So what is the application that you mentioned before?
Application application is MicroPython.
Yeah.
Because why is application is a language? This application can communicate with microbit. So any code we write in Python will transfer in
To
microbit,
microbit.
but it's convert
Okay.
to hex file. So microbit can understand not Python but the like machine language like 010 like that. So it's MicroPython can convert Python to
To
understanding
microbit.
with
Yeah.
microbit.
Okay. I see. Yeah. I think we can move to JS2. So let me open this one first. Oh, this one for only one meeting only. Right?
Yeah, just one day, Wednesday. Friday is
Friday is holiday, right?
holiday.
Okay. Yeah. Can start from this one. Can you explain this one?
Okay, this is for GHS one. So in GHS one we learn about searching algorithm. So in programming we always use or need searching something action like searching, but which one algorithm we use. Okay, so we need algorithm to run searching. Searching is find something that we need. So is in searching algorithm is there is a linear search. Is a simple algorithm for searching. It's more simple. So linear search is will check each item one by one from left to right. So linear is like the name. Linear is a line. This line will be search something they need. It needs from one by one from the left from the right. So what you mean from the left to the right is will search item in data set. So searching in the programming is not searching something goods or item, but is searching data like that.
Okay.
Searching algorithm number two, searching algorithm find a specific item in large data set. Okay, it's more clear. The number two will be specific item that we set. We want to find this number in the number set. Okay, linear just move from left to right. So we'll check, compare it. Okay, compare it. Now, number three will be explain more. It's computer use selection to compare items. So what searching do is find one from left and it's compare with the we want to search. So they compare item want to search with the data set.
Okay.
So if we want to search one, we'll compare one with first data set, the second data set like that.
Okay, I see. Okay, okay, sir. Now we move to vocabulary list.
Okay.
Okay, here we have the vocabulary list. I will start from primary four first. We start from shading.
Shading is a color behind a text or a table or it's a table. So in Microsoft Word, we know a shading. So we can give a shading like we give the background color on the text or we can give the color background in the table. So we must select the text. If you want to use shading, you must select that and click beside the button in the border is a shading. So that is just
Okay.
color.
Yeah, here in your explanation is in spoken, the additional explanation, you have write the statement like why do we use the shading?
Why we use for shading? Because it's more like our because of what, our document is more attractive or more maybe it's like that. So to make more colorful like that.
Okay. Next, the next word is crop. Crop.
A crop is cutting a picture or a cutting an image. So we use crop. So we cut the picture what we need. So the rest of the cropping will be not used. So we just cutting what we need. This is crop.
Okay. Next, primary five. This is primary five. Digital content. Digital.
Digital content is anything we can hear, we can see in a computer is called digital content. So digital content is can many maybe like a picture we can see in the website with a picture we can see in media social or maybe we can listen to music watch a video is a digital content so everything in computer is a digital content.
Okay. Next, hub.
Hub is a tool toolbox it's connected connect computer. So it have connected computer. So it's hub is like maybe it's a box. It have many ports. So every computer connected. So what's a hub function? So it will if one computer send a file, hub will have it to send to other all connected computer like that. So it's different with router. Router will it's marks. Hub is not. It's just like if they got the data, they split the data like that.
Okay. Next, we move to JS1. We start from MicroPython. MicroPython.
MicroPython is a Python used with microbit. So microbit we can use any language like Python, JavaScript. So MicroPython is Python we can use with microbit. So it's like a tool or programming that can set Python coding, Python language. So we write the coding and we can send it to microbit.
Okay. Web browser.
Browser is an application we use to visit a website. So browser we use browser to browsing, surfing the internet, or visit a website, and maybe we know many browser now, maybe like Edge, Chrome, Mozilla, like that.
Yeah. Okay. This is a Syahfrinal instance.
Instead is object that create with the class. So like if we see in the computer, if we understand about tasking. Maybe you ever hear about multitasking. So multitasking is like instant but more complex and more bigger. So if we run Windows is one tasking. So instant is like that, but in program it's small. So if we make a program and it run, it's gonna be instant. Okay, yeah, maybe example I read here is like we make a cookies. Okay? So we make a cookies. We make cookies from from cookies maker. So we make cookies maker one cookies, two cookies, and we cook it or we bake it. So one cookie is like one instant.
Okay, I see. Cookies and intents. Yeah. Okay, sir. I have asked from the homework, from books, summary point, and vocabulary list as well. And I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.